What is up guys, welcome back to another video, and first of all happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all my Indian friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the all new OnePlus 5 camera working over here. Was going to make a video like last month, but still the camera was not actually working well. It was actually working, it was capturing images, but the focus was not working, the pro mode was not working, and just majority of features are just not working. Of course the portrait mode would not be working as it needs two lenses. Most of the features are now working over here, so let's just take a look. As you can see, it opens just right away. It's extremely quick. I am using a Redmi Note 4 right now. Yup, I need to specify that. Very high quality preview over here. You can touch focus. Then you have the zoom over here. You can just zoom until 8x. Then over here you get the timer. Then you have the HDR, but let's just turn it off. Then you have the aspect ratio by 16:9, 4:3. Everything works just fine. Developers have done extremely great job. Then over here, if you go to the video, 4K video and everything is just working fine on the devices which do support 4K recording, as you can see. Then you have the pro mode. All of the features are just working fine. The funny thing about it is that it's just basically the same thing on both of the sides. As you can see, you can start from the bottom over here, and you can just start from the lowest to the max. As you can see, 6400 ISO. As you can see, then you have the manual focus over here, again fully working on all of the devices. Histogram over here, which I don't know how to make a use of it, but still it's a very nice thing that it's live and just works perfect. As you can see, okay, there is the manual camera save settings, and there you have the profiles. Pretty good actually. Touch and lock the exposure over here, pretty nice touch. Then you get the time lapse. Again, zoom into the time lapse. You can select the time lapse for 720p, 1080p. Again, as you can see, fully works. It's recording. Then again you have the slow motion. Works, but it's just like a choppy video for now. As you can see, you can't even switch the resolution in slow motion. It's just 720p. And then at the last you just have the normal panorama, which is fully working again. Then if you tap the settings button, you have the shutter sound, quick capture. Then you have the shot on OnePlus watermark. I love this. Like that you can have the name on it, like I can say captured by Dewang or something. As you can see, it adds a little name at the bottom. Now in order to install this, if you don't want some features such as the slow motion and time lapse or any other smaller things such as raw images, then the HDR, if you don't need that, you can just basically install it as a normal APK. If you want camera API 2 features, such as I have a Galaxy S7 Edge over here, and the camera API 2 has not been enabled over here. Let's just take a look at the OnePlus 5 camera. If you go to the HDR, there is nothing, it's just blank. You go to the video, you don't have the option to record 4K. It's just that smaller things which are enabled by camera API 2. But in order to enable, you have to just download an app called Build Prop Editor. Let's just get it from the Play Store. Build Prop, let's just type that and it will just appear as first one. Tap install, and you have to just go to this 3-dot menu over here, then create new. Then you have to just paste this command, which will be given in the description, or you can just type it over here. As you can see, you have to just type it like this, the HAL3 into caps lock. Then into the value you have to just add 1 and just hit the save. Now I have already done it, so I will not do it again, and you will basically get all the remaining features such as slow motion and every other stuff working. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. This was a quick little video on how you can get the OnePlus 5 camera fully working on your phone running Android Nougat. So see you in the next one. Peace.